Want to know how to schedule outreach for future dates with reminders? You're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set up scheduled outreach with reminders, so you never miss an important date again. Whether you're booking follow-ups, setting meetings, or just staying on top of important outreach tasks, this process is going to save you a lot of time and hassle. First, let's talk about why this is crucial. Scheduling outreach for future dates ensures you stay organized and consistent, and when you include reminders, it helps you stay on top of your tasks, keeping you accountable and making sure you don't forget anything. You won't have to worry about juggling your calendar or missing a key date. Now, the software we're using today makes this process super simple. I'll walk you through how to schedule outreach and set reminders for any future dates. Start by opening the software we'll be using. From your dashboard, navigate to the Schedule or Outreach section. This might vary depending on what you're using. In most cases, you'll be able to find a clear option to add a new task or outreach activity. Click Create New Outreach, or whatever button applies to your software. Once you're there, you'll enter the details of your outreach, like the date, time, and type of communication. Next, select the date you want your outreach to happen. Most software has a calendar view where you can easily pick a future date. What makes this process even easier is that you can set the reminder to notify you ahead of time. You'll typically see options like 1 day before, 1 hour before, or even a custom reminder time depending on how far in advance you want to be reminded. Once your date and reminder time are set, don't forget to write down any specifics for your outreach in the notes section, things you need to remember like key points for your message or any prep you need to do beforehand. When you finish, hit Save or Schedule. That's it. You've scheduled your outreach for a future date, complete with reminders. One trick I love using is setting a few different reminders. For instance, you can get an initial reminder a week ahead, then a second one a day before, and another just an hour before. This way, you're never caught off guard. The software we'll be using for this tutorial makes the process super easy, but I've tried a few others, and this one stands out for its simplicity and efficiency. You can get an exclusive free trial in the description below if you want to follow along and see how it works for yourself. So here's the key takeaway. Scheduling outreach with reminders isn't just about adding dates to your calendar. It's about creating a system that helps you stay on top of everything. By setting reminders ahead of time, you're ensuring you never miss a beat. The process is simple, and using a good tool can make a world of difference in your productivity. To recap, we talked about how to create and schedule outreach tasks, how to set up reminders at different intervals, and how to save time by staying organized with an easy-to-use software solution. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial link in the description below if you want to follow along and streamline your outreach process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.